How do I take sample of the poisons on this cover of the oven? It's easy. I can use the tape. The tape is clear, it's transparent. And when I find where has the highest concentration of graphene on the cover of the oven, I will put the tape to stick some of the particles of the graphene oxide and have a look under the microscope. It's here. So I'll do this. Grab the samples, collect the samples. I'm a chemist. I got my physical chemistry, the master degree almost 40 years ago. Okay. So I will have a look of this under microscope. Turn the power on. Take off the previous slide. And I'll put the sample here. I'll stop and I will connect it, you can see, so that we can see the images directly on the TV.